Most local business owners have no clue that their Google Maps listings are quietly losing them money. Their phones go silent, leads dry up, and they just can't figure out why. And they don't need ads or SEO or another marketing agency. What they really need is you. And that's what these 5 pitches solve. These are 5 hidden Google Maps issues that are costing business owners thousands, and they don't even know it. You can fix just one of them and pocket $500 or more, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it in 24 hours or less. With no selling, no cold calls, no tech headaches, just a few minutes of smart action for fast cash. Now, each of these 5 micro fixes solves a real world problem that business owners care about right now. You don't have to sell anything. You just show them what's broken and then you fix it fast. They say yes, you do the fix in minutes, and then they pay you at least $500 on the spot. And all you need is your laptop or phone and then the 24-hour Maps shortcut. And inside, I show you exactly how to find these issues, contact the right businesses, and deliver the fix fast. It's so simple, you're gonna wonder why nobody else is actually doing it. $500 for a 10-minute fix, if you do the math, that's like $3,000 an hour. And 1 client, that's your car payment. 2, that might be your rent or mortgage. 5, that's your entire month's expenses covered. And some businesses, they actually pay upfront for 3 months or even a full year. Others keep you on retainer for $400 to $500 a month because they see instant results from the work that you did. So it starts as quick cash and then turns into something that's recurring that pays you again and again. And I repeat, you don't need SEO skills or marketing experience. You don't need to talk on the phone or pitch anyone. You don't need a website or an ads budget. You don't need any special software. Everything that you need is included inside the 24-hour Maps shortcut. If you can follow simple steps, and if you can send a few messages, you can absolutely do this. I've personally used these 5 pitches to collect hundreds of $500 and even $1,000 payments. And other students who've tried this have landed their first client in 24 hours, even some that are total beginners. One member made $500 on day 1, and another turned it into $3,000 in his first week. These work because they're based on local businesses that have real problems that need to be fixed right now. Now I want you to imagine opening up your email to see, sounds good, how do I pay you? Or imagine waking up to new payments from simple fixes that you did the day before. Imagine having a real skill that helps businesses and pays fast. No ads, no stress, no guesswork, just a repeatable shortcut to cash. Okay, these are 5 pitches, 5 ways to get paid, and endless clients who need your help. The 24-hour Maps shortcut is brand new and it's working right now. Once others start using these methods, competition goes up, clients get snapped up. So grab it today. It's on early bird special while it's still available. And inside, you get everything that you need. You know, grab a pitch, follow the steps, and start getting paid. I look forward to seeing you inside and getting in on this very special offer before we raise the price. Take care.